What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Today's video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing a product review of some parts that I picked up for the Integra. So make sure you stay tuned. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we're going to be doing an initial review of some parts that I had picked up for the Integra. I have an oil return line kit, and I also have a fuel line kit. If this is your first time to the channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you know when the next video is coming out, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. So I'm going to walk you over to the table right now, and I'm going to show you exactly what we got. Okay. And we have here is the oil return line kit from Vibrant Performance. It is a complete kit. It comes with the stainless steel line, comes with the flange and the gasket to mount to the turbo, comes with the bung that mounts to the oil pan if you need it, comes with another fitting as well to connect the oil line down to the return to the oil pan, and it also comes with the fittings. Very easy install, should not take you long at all. I picked this up from my buddy over at Supreme Performance. I'll leave the website in the description below. If you guys are interested, make sure you hit him up. He's got a lot of nice stuff. He's got a lot of good parts. He's a great dude also. And on this side, I have the fuel line kit from Valex Racing. And this is a complete kit. Everything that you need to replace the factory hardline from the tank all the way up to the fuel rail. Predominantly, this is the main portion of the line. This is a 6AN kit. Comes with the complete line. It's got a nice 45 here that sits right down, so you don't have to worry about a sharp angle on the cut. It goes all the way up to the fuel rail. Also comes with this really nice fitting that you can use with the factory banjo bolt. Comes with all the washers. This fitting comes for the fuel rail, so it screws right into the fuel rail with the gasket. Comes with the inline fuel filter kit. This is actually a K-tune piece, so it's very easy replacement. You really don't have to worry. And then this line over here is the line that goes from the filter to the fuel rail. And like I said, I picked that up from Valex Racing. I will put the website in the description below as well. And this is for 94 to 01 Integra. Now, these parts are very easy, very simple, high quality parts. Could not be happier, and I really appreciate the guys that helped me out with that as well. Now, also, before anything else, I wanted to give a shout out to a couple of good friends of mine. I want to give a shout out to my buddy Zach, and also a shout out to my buddy Sean. Zach had helped me come up with the logo for my channel, and Sean is the one that did the stickers for me as well. And more importantly, I wanted to thank you guys, the subscribers, because without you guys, none of this would be possible. So I have a couple of stickers here that I'm going to show you. I'm actually going to be putting a bundle together, selling them 3 stickers for $10. They're 5-inch in size, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull a couple of them so you can take a look at them. Okay? I have a straight cut one. That was done for me. And then I also have this one, which is kind of contoured to the name and everything like that. And like I said, I'm going to be selling these 3 for $10. So if you guys are interested, please make sure you hit me up and let me know what's going on if you're interested in some stickers. I would like to possibly do a giveaway when I hit my 100 subscriber mark. Possibly whoever is my 100 subscriber could possibly get a hat, maybe a t-shirt, could be a sticker package. I'm not 100% sure yet, but we're going to go from there. And in the next video, I'm going to be getting the Integra back in the garage. I have the wiring harness that needs to be hung. I'm going to be putting the fuel injectors in the rail. I'm going to start running the line from the tank all the way back up. And I'm also going to be installing this kit. So I will be making videos as that as well. And we're going to keep going from there. So just wanted to say thank you again to everybody that is subscribed. I really hope you like this content. Just make sure you hit the notifications bell so you know when everything's coming. Make sure you guys subscribe to keep going forward. And from now, we'll see you in the next video. My name is Patty Mac. This is the Auto Society. Thank you so much for your time. And keep them clean, guys. See you around.